Hello everyone, welcome to another Vimonics video. Today our topic is Klebsiella. So let's discuss about the top 10 important points about Klebsiella and how to remember them. First, you should remember that it is non-motile gram-negative rod. As you can see the buckle on its leg, it will help you to remember that it is non-motile. Long slender shaped will remind you that it is rod shaped. And the negative sign on its eye will help you to remember that it is gram negative. Next is polysaccharide capsule. Klebsiella has a nice polysaccharide capsule outside the cell envelope. This capsule serves as an antiphagocytic virulence factor. Klebsiella can cause lobar pneumonia in alcoholics and diabetics when aspirated. Here, this alcoholic character will help you to remember this point. Next point, you should remember that it can cause nosocomial infection or hospital-acquired infection. Next important point is dark red currant jelly sputum, which is a characteristic finding of Klebsiella infection. It can cause aspiration pneumonia and liver abscess. Next point is UTI infection. Klebsiella can cause hospital-acquired UTI infection. Now this brain inflammation will help you to remember that it can cause meningitis. So those are 10 points you should remember for your exam. Now I have a mnemonic to remember few important points. All you have to remember is 5A. A for aspiration pneumonia, then abscess in lungs and liver, then alcoholics, then diabetics, and then currant jelly sputum. That's all guys. Hope you like this video and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.